Hey guys, what's up? So I wanted to do a quick unboxing today. I have this chunky sweater on because it's actually raining out, and where I live the temperature is dropping pretty quickly. So yeah, I have like a warm cozy little sweater on, and I just wanted to unbox my new purchase from Louis Vuitton. To make a long story short, I went away for a mini vacation and we went to Atlantic City, and I'm not a gambler at all, so I just played like 20 bucks and we ended up winning at the casino. So I had enough to pick up a new item from Louis Vuitton, so I ended up getting this. I did see a few people comment on my last Louis Vuitton video and really wanted to see another one just like it, so that's why I'm filming this one today. I did end up going with another mini Pochette, and they had like these holiday ones. They also had the summertime collection. They had one that was like olive green, one that had like purple, yellow, and white, I think it was, like a little bit of neon colors, and then there was one with like a different monogram print. It was like a really large monogram print, but when I went in store to look for one of the newer patterns, they didn't have any available, and they didn't know if they were going to be getting any more in. So I ended up going with this one, and I got this one because it's just very classic. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys which one I ended up getting. This is the dust bag that it came in, and I ended up going with this one. This is just the original monogram print, and I ended up getting this one, and this one just so happens to be made in France, just like my last one. And at first I wanted to get the other mini Pochette that I have. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it up here, but I did go with the Damier Ebene one before because it did have like the cherry red on the inside. This one's just brown, but it's still very beautiful. And then it has the little cards that come with it. I'm just gonna stuff those into the dust bag. But I just love this print because it's very classic, and this pretty much goes with anything, and it's very gorgeous. It has the little chain here, which you can wear as a wristlet like this, or you can add this onto like a D-ring, something in your bag that you want to attach it to so it doesn't fall out. Or you can also use it like this, just like a mini purse. In my last video, I did mention that you could get a small chain and use this as a mini bag as well. Unfortunately, you can't fit your iPhone in here unless you have like an iPhone 5 or something that's a little smaller. It definitely doesn't fit a Plus, and my 10s fits in here, but just barely. Like, you have to stuff it to the point where you might compromise the bag and end up damaging it, so I wouldn't recommend it. But if you're someone that likes to go out at night and you just want to take a few things, this is more than enough space. I use this as a catch-all. I kind of just throw it in my backpack or my purse, and I put like makeup, my headphones, everything fits in here. If you guys want to see a video on what fits inside a mini Pochette, like I said, the video that I'm going to link above, you'll be able to see everything that I fit in mine. But recently I've been using a lot of different things in mine, just like a totally different setup. So if you guys want to see that, just comment down below and I'll make that video for you as well. But yeah, this is what my new mini Pochette looks like. And another thing I want to say is this bag is a little pricey, but it does last a really long time. My Damier Ebene bag, I use it every single day, and I get so much use out of it. If I'm going to the grocery store, I'll take this with me. Sometimes I just have like my license, keys, things like that in here. And if I have it in a purse or backpack, I'll just take it out and take this wherever I go. So it's very easy to use, and I just love taking this everywhere with me. The only thing you have to be careful with is this will turn a little darker, and this one can stain. You can get water stains on it and things like that, just this type of leather. That was another reason why I started with the Damier Ebene, because it's like a darker brown leather that doesn't stain, but this one does, so you have to be careful. But it's just a small piece, so I think I'll be fine with it. But yeah, I love the monogram print. It's so beautiful and classic. I kind of wish that they did have an option to have the red inside because I think that would just look so beautiful. But I still really love this bag, and it's very, very cute. When you're spending this much money on a designer or luxury item, just make sure you check it out in store, or if you order online, make sure it's okay. And then if you have any imperfections, then you can just take it back and swap it out. But yeah, the woman in store did tell me that it's really hard to get mini pochettes in general, so I'm glad that I got my hands on this one. And yeah, the other collections, like the summertime ones, I think it's over, but I know they're gonna have holiday ones coming out soon, so I'm gonna check them out. But I'm really happy with my decision on getting this one because, like I said, it's just a very classic little bag, and I'm just obsessed with like the monogram print. It's very, very pretty. So yeah, this is my new little mini pochette. It's gonna look so cute. Now for the fall time, I wanted to get something that will go with everything, and this is just so adorable. So I'm really excited to start getting some use out of it. But yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, or you want to see more like what's in my bag or what I could fit in my bag videos, then make sure you guys comment down below. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.